Welcome back to the VST channel. This here is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and that's the S24 Ultra, and this video will mark the beginning of a new series where I'm showing some customizations based on One UI 6.1 and apparently suited more or less for the S24 Ultra, and hopefully a lot of the things that I will show in these videos will also trickle down and arrive to the S23 Ultra. But you might have seen already the video topic, guys. What is this thing with the S24 Ultra? Now, we have to say that this new feature is really very good. So the circle to search works very nice. I can just show you, like, every time you want to just circle something and search it, it's gonna be very quick. And this works almost on everything, guys, really. Like, you can try to do this on whatever you want and you will get a very nice result. And I can tell, like, this is an AI feature that really saves a lot of time. So I'm not saying that you cannot do this on other phones, right? But you need to take a screenshot, fire up Google Lens, so it's gonna take you more time. And this whole circle to search thing really is phenomenal fast, guys. My grandmother here, that's a cake. You can even try to look up recipes and stuff like this. The only thing that is a bit annoying is the fact that this thing here, the so-called gesture hint, is always present. But let me show you something. The S23 Ultra running One UI 6 allows you to go inside a display, click on navigation bar, and remove the gesture hint, right? So if I click now, well, there is not gonna be any gesture hint, and you can use your phone into this more immersive experience. Pay attention, guys. The moment I go inside the navigation bar with the One UI 6.1, first things first, there is no gesture hint. Second thing, guys, it looks a bit different. And the other thing is they have a menu for circle search, but there is no way for you to remove this gesture hint. And this might be annoying for those of you that really want to get a bit more of that immersive experience. Now, if we have to speak about the circle to search, it will most probably be exclusive for Samsung and Google for some time, and then hopefully it will also be implemented for our devices. But here comes Good Lock. Why? Well, Good Lock recently released an updated version of NavStar. There are plenty of things that you can do with NavStar, so the best thing for me is to demonstrate it. The moment you turn it on, first option is to enable a transparent hint. Make the navigation bar hint area transparent to make the content visible. Now, you might not know what it is, but I'm here to show you. So let's say you open Twitter, right? The moment you open Twitter, guys, you're gonna see here, this area is not transparent and it will overlap with the text when you, let's say, you're scrolling. But of course you have NavStar, so you can just always go for the transparent hint. And then when you enter or re-enter Twitter, guys, see here, it will be a bit more immersive. But then this little bugger is still here, so you might want to just get rid of it. And if you really want to get rid of the gesture hint, you just click here, enable extra gesture settings, then you just go back to the navigation bar and you click on more options and the gesture hint is going to be there, so you can remove it, guys. And the moment you remove it, it's going to be really totally removed. So you can still do, you know, your things that you're searching. So like this, for example, I'm here, so I hold my finger here and voila, I can try to search and boom, it will work all the time, just magnificent. And there are plenty of other settings, not only for swipe gestures, but also for the buttons. If you turn this on, you're gonna be able to configure some of the buttons, show and hide button, if you of course use button. Now, in my case, I'm not using button since some time, probably years, so I'm gonna stay on type gestures. And I wanted to show you something, right? Like, besides the fact that you can allow the back gesture in the full screen when you're watching videos, for example, or let's say playing games, you can also customize the side back gesture indicator if you want, but something that I think is very useful, the gesture handle, guys. And you can play with the width here. You can just see, like, you can make it really be very small like this, right? And the moment you just click, of course, you are gonna get the option for circular and search. So this is quite nice. So not only are you able to play with the gesture width, you can also play with the transparency. So you can make it really very visible, or you can make it almost not visible. And the good thing is, yes, you can also play with the color, right? Like if you want to do this. Now, I want to stick with the stock setting. If you don't like what you did, guys, there is also and always the option for you, boom, to press reset, and you're gonna get back to the basic. So, transparent hit, enable extra gesture settings. The main option with this update is really to totally get rid of the gesture hint. A lot of options. Go inside the Samsung Galaxy Store, search for NavStar. By the way, if you have issues with Google Lock, you can also watch my videos on how to use the patch version. Install NavStar, guys, and do whatever you want to do with the gesture hint. And if you're here for the first time and you don't want to miss on videos like this, you know what to do. I'm not gonna tell you to sub. Yes, I just did. Stay safe. Thank you so much for watching. VST over and bye.